Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best sleep aid is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for those struggling with insomnia or other sleep disorders. Tonight, I will share my honest review on some of the best sleeping pills available on the market, helping you to navigate the world of sleep medications and find the perfect fit for your needs, based on factors such as effectiveness, side effects, and overall value. Number 5. THISWORKS Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. It's a 99% natural sleep aid. It helps you fall asleep faster and wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Use it at bedtime to fall asleep faster and enjoy more restful sleep. It's perfect if you struggle with waking up during the night. This award-winning spray features a calming blend of lavender, chamomile, and vetiver. It soothes your mind and body, preparing you for a peaceful night's sleep. While you sleep, your skin cells repair themselves. It's the ultimate beauty secret, and this helps you start your day looking and feeling your best. It's made with all-natural ingredients. It's cruelty-free and free from GMOs, sulfates, petrolatum, phthalates, and synthetic colors. Simply spritz it onto your pillow each night. What we like? If you value natural ingredients and a calming bedtime ritual, this is for you. Its award-winning formula uses a soothing scent to help you relax and drift off to sleep. If you like the idea of a gentle, natural sleep aid, you should consider this product. What people say. I've used it for 10 days and it has helped me sleep so much better and feel good when I wake up. Usually, I only have a night or two a month where I can fall asleep within an hour, but I have been able to get to sleep within an hour, sometimes a half hour, 8 out of 10 days. This is the first sleep aid I've had that doesn't make me feel groggy and slow the next day. I actually feel refreshed and have been able to be more productive during the day since I'm finally getting consistent sleep. No nightmares, no racing thoughts keeping me up till 4 a.m., no drowsy feeling, no negative side effects. Number 4. Aid Softgels. Experience the soothing comfort of Aid Softgels. It's formulated to help you achieve a deeper, more restful night's sleep. These soft gels are designed for easy swallowing, making it convenient to take before bed. Enjoy the smooth, comfortable experience. Each soft gel delivers maximum strength for effective sleep support. It's the perfect solution for a good night's rest. Aid soft gels are safe and non-habit forming. You can use it with confidence, knowing it won't lead to dependence. Simply take one soft gel before bedtime for a peaceful night's sleep. It's that easy to improve your sleep quality. It contains 50 milligrams of diphenhydramine HCl, a well-known sleep aid. This ensures you get the support you need for a restful sleep. What like? If you need a quick and effective sleep aid, this is a great option. It's easy to swallow and provides maximum strength for a restful night's sleep, without the risk of becoming habit-forming. If you are looking for a simple, powerful solution for occasional sleeplessness, you should consider this one. What people say. This certainly helps. Works very well with getting me to sleep and staying asleep. Have been using this product for quite a while. Seems to help with falling asleep. Number 3. Maximum Strength Sleep Aid. Are you struggling with occasional sleeplessness? It contains diphenhydramine HCl, the active ingredient in Unisom sleep gels, to help you get the rest you need. This nighttime sleep aid provides maximum strength relief from occasional sleeplessness. Experience a restful night's sleep without the worry of habit formation. It's designed to be safe and non-habit forming, so you can use it as needed without concerns about dependence. Rest easy knowing it's gentle on your body. These easy-to-swallow liquid-filled soft gels offer quick and convenient relief. They're designed for fast absorption and effective results. Get twice the sleep support with our convenient twin pack. This ensures you always have it on hand when you need a good night's rest. It contains the same active ingredient as Unisom sleep gels, providing reliable relief from occasional sleeplessness. Get the sleep you deserve. What we like? If you need a powerful sleep aid, but worry about habit formation, this is a good choice. The maximum strength formula comes in easy-to-swallow soft gels. If you need a reliable and effective sleep aid without the risk of dependency, you should consider this product. Number 2. OLLY Ultra Strength Sleep. Introducing OLLY Ultra Strength Sleep, your new nighttime companion for deep, restful sleep. It's formulated with a unique blend of ingredients to help you unwind and drift off peacefully. These soft gels harness the power of melatonin, working with your body's natural sleep cycle. They also include L-theanine, magnesium, and soothing botanicals for a truly calming effect. Each soft gel contains 10 milligrams of melatonin, along with L-theanine for calmness and botanicals like chamomile and lemon balm to help you relax and prepare for sleep. Simply take up to 2 soft gels with water about 30 minutes before bedtime. Swallow them whole, don't chew them. One bottle provides a 30-day supply. These soft gels are naturally colored, easy to swallow, and have a pleasant strawberry scent with 0 added sugar. They're also conveniently packaged for easy use. OLLY products are designed to work together. Feel free to mix and match them to create your perfect wellness routine. What we like. If you prefer a natural sleep aid with a blend of calming ingredients, this is a great option. It combines melatonin with other botanicals to gently promote relaxation and sleep. If you like the idea of a comprehensive, natural approach to sleep support, you should consider this. What people say. It doesn't make me uncomfortably drowsy like Unisom or ZZZ-Quil. Instead, it's a much more gentle onset of sleepiness. My sleep is more restful when I take it, and I don't wake up with a groggy or hangover feeling the next morning. I have been taking one of these every night at 9 p.m. and they keep me sleeping deep through the night until I wake up at 6 a.m. fully rested. They are strong, so I only take 1 rather than 2 as recommended. They work better than just plain melatonin for me and do not give me headaches like other brands. Not only did it work, but I didn't feel drowsy the next day. Also, my husband's snoring didn't wake me up, and it wasn't because he didn't snore. I actually slept well and felt refreshed and capable of fully functioning the next day. Number 1. Jacked Factory Build PM. It helps you reduce restlessness and promotes better sleep after your workouts. Wake up refreshed, not groggy, and ready to take on the day. It's a powerful muscle builder, scientifically formulated to help you gain lean muscle, strength, and endurance. Improved sleep is key to better results. Take it before bed to improve your post-workout recovery. You'll wake up feeling refreshed and energized, ready to tackle your next workout. It's made in a CGMP-certified facility, ensuring high quality and purity. You can trust that it's free of harsh chemicals and fillers. It supports optimal muscle repair while you sleep. Wake up stronger each day thanks to its unique blend of ingredients. What we like. If you're an athlete looking to improve both sleep and muscle recovery, this is the perfect choice. It combines sleep-promoting ingredients with muscle-building support. If you are looking for a supplement that helps you build muscle and sleep better, you should consider this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.